from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back till you see it back, yeah. Back till you see it from the back, yeah. Back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. We are here with the Butta Lace unit number 15, and when I tell y'all, I'm so hyped. Cause look at the curls. These are the curls straight out the package. They definitely giving us water wave, loose wave type of curl, and I'm here for it. So it does come with the middle part. Unfortunately, it's not a full lace frontal, so you cannot part anywhere on it. You only can make a middle part, and you do have a little room to create some baby hairs. So this is me putting it on my head for the first time. I'm adjusting the straps in the back. It is a little snug in the center, so be mindful if you have a big head. I do have a big head, but y'all know I always squeeze my head and everything, so it is what it is. But as you guys can see, this is the baby hairs. So this is the overall length. I love that it comes in layers as well, but I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. The first step is you need some lace tinting spray, okay? This is Red by Kiss. I do have it in the shade medium dark brown. I'm going to go ahead and shake this bad boy up, and we're going to go ahead and disperse the product all throughout the lace. Now, this product does have a smell. If you do not like a peachy scent, it does have a light peachy scent, and it smells good to me, but hey, y'all look at the pigment, okay? I fell in love with this spray as soon as I used it, and this was my first time in this video using it. I ain't putting it down because, baby, the pigment. It's given. It turned into a straight up scalp. So I'm going in to seal everything in with the Sebastian finishing spray. I'm going to follow up with my blow dryer on a hot setting to make sure everything is nice and dry before installing. Now we're going to install it, girl. So I'm putting it back on my head. I know it don't even look as if I tinted the lace because I didn't spray it all the way down on the lace because, baby, one, I don't want waste product. As you guys can see, I did get some of the tint spray on the actual hair, but we're just going to wipe that off with some makeup remover. We're going to fix it, y'all. So after we do that, we're just pinning the hair up out of the way so we can go ahead and cut the lace off. Now, I do cut fairly close to the hairline. You do not have to. You can leave as much lace as you like, but this is basically what I do. So boom, we done with that. Okay, we done. Now we about to install it. I'm gonna pull it back just a little bit. So we gonna go ahead and use the Ebin Wonder Lace. This is the adhesive spray I always brag about. I'm about to do 3 layers of this so it could last because, baby, that's what I'm going outside today, and I don't want my lace to be lifted and stuff. So I'm gonna dry this on a cool heating setting, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tap it with my fingers to make sure it's like sticky, tacky, and then once it is, I'm going to pull it down. Now I'm gonna show you guys the mistake I made because when I placed it down, I forgot to I forgot to put pressure on it, like just pull it down. So I'm just drying it without using a comb or anything to reinforce it so it didn't stick. Actually, it ended up rolling up. My lace tends to roll up sometimes if I don't go in and make sure it's super flat before drying it. So as you guys can see, I have to apply more of the spray, and once I do that, I can stick it down. But sometimes your lace will roll up on you if you're not making sure it's super duper flat when laying it down. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm unrolling it, okay, and making sure it is flat. As you guys can see, I'm pushing it into the place where I laid down, where I sprayed the spray at, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense because y'all know sometimes I'm just talking. But I'm gonna pin the baby hairs up so they won't be in the way, and as you guys can see, I pull it flat as possible, as tight as possible, so it can stick. Once everything is laid down, I am going to go in with my elastic band, and I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna take it off, okay, and see what she is giving. So come on, hurry up. And y'all y'all, I feel like that looks a mess. Like, y'all can't even tell me y'all would go out the house looking like that. That is not. Look at my face. I was like, oh my god, what is that? Anyway, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. I do put it on the dial 5, and I'm just gonna, you know, hot comb that section out. I want it to be a little bit more flatter, but I'm not running my comb all the way through because I don't want to mess up the curls. So now I'm just going to go in and pull out those baby hairs because, like I said, I was not feeling the pushback baby hair look. I probably could have plucked it when the baby hairs were up and made it look more natural. But y'all know me and my baby hairs. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. But anyway, I'm going in with my got2b glue gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and create my baby hairs. I felt like the baby hairs they left out were super thin, and I'm used to like a thicker look. So I am going to dabble into the hairline just a little bit more to pull it, you know, to make it look more fuller. So there's nothing wrong with it. Like I said, there is enough room to create the baby hairs to your liking. So that's what I go in and do, because I was like, baby, no, this ain't giving what it's supposed to give. So we're done. I was struggling, okay, with baby hair day today, so it wasn't my best, but it's gonna do. So look at this, y'all. I was like, am I gonna leave it up or I'm gonna just flatten it out and wear it down? As y'all see me glance over to my monitor, I was like, no ma'am, this looks, what is that? Anyway, I decided to go in with my tweezers to do a little bit of plucking. Be mindful, if you do pluck it when it's on your head, be sure to hold the lace, because baby, you would just lift up the lace and have to reapply it. So plucking just made it look more flatter and look a little bit more natural, but the density, baby, was thick up there, and I was not, it was giving too much of a wig vibe for me. So I'm going in to put more tinting spray on it, because when I did a little bit of plucking, it did, you know, just make it look a little white. I don't know, but we have to put some more tinting spray on there. I'm gonna allow that to dry, and then I'm just going in with some hairspray as well to reinforce everything so it can just look a little bit more, you know, put together. The last step is to go in with some foam wrap lotion. This is by ORS. This is what I like to call it anyway. And I'm just going to go ahead and fix some of the curls. I didn't need much because, like I said, I only did it to the front because I had to go in and detangle where I was doing a little bit of plucking. It wasn't much. But this is it. She is a vibe. I will rate it at 8.5 out of 10. I felt like if this hairline was plucked, baby, it would be bomb.com. So I didn't get any tangler or anything because I usually don't mess with the curls on the first day because I want to extend the longevity. But yeah, so I didn't get any tanglings or anything like that. I did get a little bit of shedding when I did go in to pluck it, of course. But otherwise than that, y'all, this is it. She is cute. She is here, and guess what? I love her. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All information, all products I use will be listed down in the description section below. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.
If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.